How to use BlueGPT as social media manager. In order to do that, let's head over and click on this AI assistant right here. And then from in there, just scroll down until you can see a social manager or social media influencer like this. Click on the social media manager right here, and then you should be able to see in here this one. So they can help us with social media presence. What would we like to? So let's say something like, give me a 30-day calendar, 30-day content calendar to be precise. So I said something like, give me a 30-day content calendar on my TikTok about dogs, and then I just need to send that. And then they will give me a 30-day calendar, and we have in here week 1, week 2, week 3, until the week 4 right here. They also have this dog exercise ideas, and they also have in here some topics that can help us with that, as well as create and do it, invite followers to share their dog's photo, my dog reacts to, and a lot more. So that's how you use BlueGPT as social media manager. Hope we help.